One Sunday, at her grandparents' house, Niki looked at a bag of stale bread with a suspicious expression. "Grandma, do you eat this or throw it like a stone?" "No more throwing away, my love. Today that bread turns into magic." They soaked the bread in warm milk, and that's when the magic began. "It looks like chocolate mud, now what do we do?" And now we add all the other ingredients: the crushed cookie, the sugar, the egg, the lemon zest, the vanilla, the cocoa, the raisins, and the crushed almonds, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together and place in the pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes, until the cake is firm and golden brown on top. Let it cool slightly before removing from the pan, and that's it. Don't throw away the bread. Make magic like Grandma. Download the free recipe from the blog link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more cooking adventures with Niki and Manu. Discover the world, one story at a time.